Hello and welcome to me build of the Matchbox 20B ever ready ERF truck. And as you can see, this one, it had loads of paint left on. You could just tell what colour it was originally. If it hadn't been for the corners, there'd been out left on it. And here we go. Here's the basic casting. And it does have a base on it, but for how much paint it had lost and everything, I decided to get straight on and just remove the wheel sets and leave it as a complete whole, so it makes a short filler video. And anyway, without further ado, on with the build. Here I'm just using rib razors to saw the ends off. The plan is anyway to go with the new axles, which wasn't without complications. Well, if I'm honest, this whole build with complications. But it was enjoyable, small little build. I'd put it to one side, but I decided to finish it tonight. Something to do. Because I'm in between improving my visual stuff for my channel, tidying my act up a bit, and who am I kidding, I'll never be tidy. Anyway, there we are, removing the axles. And here we are. I went straight to the wild phase. There's no caustic bath of doom this week for the followers that enjoy that bit. Sorry it's missing, but there you go. When you have no paint, you don't need to paint strip. And just buffing it up and cleaning it, ready for paint to go on. And speaking of paint, well, actually I'll show the base first. Seeing what it is. And there you can see it's a number 20, but it's a 6A. 4 or something, probably Foden's model number. And here I'm mixing paint. I'm mixing a light Tamiya electric blue with a darker Tamiya blue, and it gave that colour. And here we've got the primered body, and I'm whizzing the blue colour on. And just nice paints. At the moment I'm getting Createx paints for customs and that. I may get a couple of the flats and see how they do for actual colours, and if they're good I may swap over to Createx for my car body. Up to now things are looking good, but I've only got a pearl set. And here I'm splitting down pop rivets for the axles. I think I may possibly have got the wrong side, although I don't know. But they just seem soft axles compared to the old ones. The original ones, I should say. Because they bend easy. Spot the deliberate mistake. It's in its infancy, that's really getting used to doing this. I'm still practicing, I'm getting there, but Marty makes it look easy, and believe me, well, others do, and believe me, it's far from easy, this method. I'd be far better off with a pillar drill, but It does work, it's just patience otherwise, and not pressing too hard. Or you get this effect. It's let the drill do the work rather than you doing it. There I'll be cursing and straightening out the axles again. And here, my paint wasn't brilliant either, so I had to remix some paint and do touch-ups by brush. Which really, for the size of model on this, I think I'd have got away with brush painting anyway. I don't think I had to really crack my airbrush out for it. It's an often overlooked method, which for these smaller models you get away with and get quite nice results. And anyway, here we go, putting the decals on. And am I being watched here? Feel like somebody's looking over my shoulder. Swear, not a clue why I feel that at all. Anyway, at first, and I still think it, I've got it into me head now. You know, one of them things when you see something and you have a name associated with it, and that's the name you think it is forever. Well, unfortunately, I think, and I'll have to say it quickly, have to say it carefully here, I think Mater, I thought his name was Beta, which, to be honest, that brings it into an whole new level. And something completely different. Then anyway, flip it round and do the decal for the other side. Mammy, gone off there. Jesus, here we go, here we go, whoa. Oh no, where are you going? Where are you going? Come on, settle down. Hands like a disco. Oh, take your medicine. Ah, the meds are kicking in. Talking about meds, I've actually had a phone call off doctor today, and some of the problem with my more recent stuff was I've had some sort of infection and it's registered in blood, so happy days, that's something else ticked off the list. Anyway, in here I'm painting in some silver. I'm not using my Molotov pen for this because, quite frankly, Lesney wouldn't have used that brighter silver. It'd have just been a silver paint in Lesney's factory. And here we go, the finished article. Looking quite superb with a crowd having a look. They're really enjoying where it said it finished up. A nice little, another one to add to my collection. I think I'll concentrate more this year and get more adapt to doing these matchboxes. I've got to admit it does look nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber already, may I thank you for sticking with me. And as usual, don't forget, take care out there and stay well, people. Goodbye.